Hi, this is Mrs. Davis. This is AP Computer Science, lesson 9.1 on inheritance, and this is the third video. So we were talking about child classes inheriting things from their parents, but they don't inherit the direct use of the instance variables. Okay, so that's the best way I can put that. Child classes don't get to use the direct instance variables from the parent. They need to use the getters and setters. Okay, so let's look at an example where we have a child class. So we have a parent, let's build this. We have a parent class, and it has my age instance variable, okay? And it probably has other stuff too, but okay, that's the instance variable. Okay, and then we have a student. Okay, a student subclass. Okay, which reminds you of the word extends parent, and it has its own instance variable, my grade. Okay. So this is a subclass of parent. Okay, so let's look at what happens in these examples. So here we have a student extends person, so we're writing the student class, and we're not showing the constructors or anything. So we have a method called print age. Okay, if print age, let's see what print age might be in here, right? But I think it's not. I think it's its own method. So let's put it down here. Okay, and in print age, it wants to print out my name, my age is plus my age, and you can't do that because this is directly trying, right, to directly access instance variable from the superclass. Now it says my grade is my grade. Now it can get that one because that's the instance variable that it has for itself. So the above will cause an error. My age is private in person, so even though the student has my age property, it cannot directly use its instance variables. But my grade is a student property, and it's private, but it's in the same class, so we can use it directly. That makes sense. So here's one that will work if you use get age instead of just my age, the instance variable. So it'll go get it from there. So, and of course it can still use my grade. Okay, so that is the lesson for today. And I think in class we will try to work on the practice lab. And so I may end up making a video for that. Or I may just go over it in class tomorrow. Okay, so